What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a new video. I'm going to be showing you guys the new palette that Alter Ego, I believe it's dropping today. Today's April 1st. I want to say it should be live on their website by the time this video goes up. Anyways, I'm going to have a link down below, you know, if you guys want to shop. But anyways, so I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the new Luster palette from Alter Ego, which looks like this. And does this look familiar to you guys? Well, it should, because it is actually a dupe for the Pat McGrath Mothership. How do I open this? Oh, here we go. It is a dupe for the Pat McGrath Mothership 7 Divine Rose 1. So I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of both of these palettes. On one eye, I have the Alter Ego palette, and on the other side, I have the Pat McGrath palette. So I want you guys to actually pause the video and comment down below which side you think is which. And also, I want you guys to let me know which one you like better. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe if you're already not subscribed. Like the video. Also, follow me on Instagram if you're already not following me. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I already have my brows fully filled in. I use the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Ebony. And then to prime my eyes, I use the Makeup Revolution, their eyeshadow base in the shade Medium. I'm gonna take this Too Faced lip injection. This is the new one, the Maximum Plump. You guys, so I mean, I already have full lips, but y'all, look at how huge this lip plumper makes my lips look. Like, I already have full lips, but like, they look crazy huge. The only thing is that it doesn't last a long time. I don't really wear this because I want bigger lips. I just think it's fun to look at. Alrighty, so let us get started. So we're going to be using the new Alter Ego palette. This is their the slip fell out, okay. This is their new Luster palette, which is a dupe for the Pat McGrath Mothership Divine Rose 1 palette. So I'm going to be doing one eye using the Alter Ego palette, and then I'm going to do the other eye using my Pat McGrath palette, which looks like this. They're just rearranged from the original, like from Pat's palette. So as you guys know, with her Mothership palettes, her 4 special shades are always kept over here. So I already had you guys guess down below which was which. On this eye, I'm going to be doing the Alter Ego palette, and I'm going to do the Mothership on this eye. So let us get started. And I'm going to be using the same brushes, but I'm going to be cleaning them in between, so that way it's like, let's really see, you know? To start off this look, I'm going to first go into this dark, or this brown shade. It's not really a dark brown, but like this chocolate brown shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and pat this here. And then next, I'm going to go into this shade right here to blend out this brown shade. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that brown shade. Y'all, look at my lips. Look at them. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I don't know, I'm talking like my mouth is full of something. And I'm actually gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the brown a little bit. So I'm gonna quickly do the other eye using the Pat palette. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off these 2 brushes that I used. So for the Pat palette, I'm gonna take this brown shade and then that shade to blend out. The Pat palette the brown just looks a little bit richer, but maybe it might look like this side maybe once I blend it out, because this side looks way like richer in color. Almost looks a little bit darker. Oh wow, like these 2, I don't know if the camera is showing it. It looks like it from the monitor, but these 2 look visibly different. Like the brown shade, like this side looks more warm. This side almost looks a little bit cooler in undertone. Okay, so as cute as this little brown situation is that we have going on here, or I have going on over here, I'm gonna add some black because like this is not it for me, okay? I needed just a little bit more depth, and neither one of these palettes has the richness that I want, and I love black, so. So I'm gonna take ColourPop Smoke Show palette, and I'm just going to dip into their black in here, and I'm just gonna add it to both sides. Just ever so slightly, just, you know, just a little bit, okay? Oh my gosh, you guys, I love these so much. These are perfect because I fast every day. This I can have on a fast because it literally has like nothing in it. And and it's like all 0 calories. By the way, you guys, I lost 12 pounds in the month of March. Woo, 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 woo. What I did, keto, no alcohol, no sugar, or yeah, no sugar, low carb, worked out 3 to 5 times a week, and I fasted every day for about 16 hours, sometimes even more. And your girl lost 12 pounds. I'm almost to my goal. I got like 14 more to go, and then I feel like I will be content. Anyways, let us continue on. So now I'm gonna jump back into the Luster Charm palette, and I'm gonna take this brown shade right here called Infinite, and I'm gonna put this like on part of my eye. And then taking another brush, I'm gonna go into the shade called Radiant, this one right here, and I'm gonna put this all over my lid. Oh, my package. Oh, y'all, my package is here, my new little backpack. Your girl finna be traveling in style. Tote and carry. Oh, this is cute. Girl, I feel like I'm not really liking the way I'm doing my makeup today. And I don't know what to tell myself, because I'm just like, well, Whitney, whose fault is that but yours? All right, so now I'm gonna go into the Pat McGrath palette, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is gonna be a dupe for this brown, and then I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and we're gonna see, really, this is the important one, because let's see how well you can dupe these. So I mean, you can dupe regular shadows, but her special shades is what makes Pat McGrath's palettes so like special. So this brown shade, similar to the Alter Ego one, like literally they're similar as far as like applying and all that stuff. It literally feels like the same shadow. Okay, let's talk about this. So as you guys can see, there is a difference. When I look directly like this, you can see it. The Pat McGrath side looks like I just have on gold and black, which is pretty on its own, you know? But on this eye, it looks like I have like a peach or rose gold shade. And I feel like when I move, you can kind of see it. And essentially, I really thought when I got the Pat McGrath palette, if you look at it, let me even see, let me hit it differently. Y'all see how it looks like peach? Sorry, see how it looks like a pinky color? And then it can hit like it just hits different shades. Now it looks more gold, but here it looks like that. I thought when I was gonna put that, because I've used this palette before I did this, video today, I thought that I was gonna get it to look like this, and it just ended up looking like this, which I was fine with, whatever. But essentially, it should have been looking like this. So if you are crazy about like your shadows really being that duochrome shift, I think you might like the Alter Ego one a little bit better. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cue the swatches. I did side-by-side comparison of each shades. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on these palettes. So I'll see you guys shortly. Okay, time to swatch both of these palettes. So I'm gonna do it shade by shade, so in comparison to each of the shades, so you guys can kind of see what the quality looks like. Alright, you guys, so this is the look completed, and I like it. It does look different, and that pink is so distinct. So these palettes are definitely they're similar, but they're different. Like, if that makes sense. I feel like it's a close enough alternative to the Pat McGrath palette. You know, so if you're somebody who just can't fork out the money, because these palettes retail for $125, this would be a pretty good option for you. This is retailing for $22. I believe it's $22. Also, I do have a discount code with Alter Ego. It's Whitney10 and it'll save you 10% off your purchase. So yeah, if you are interested in shopping this, you know, go to use my code if you want to. The difference is, I do see it, like the color is different, like it's very distinct, and I feel like I kind of look weird. But I like both sides. I would definitely say the Alter Ego, you definitely see the shift of like that rose gold, while in the Pat McGrath, in the pan, you see the shifting of it, but on the eye it does not translate that well. So if you're someone who really likes your duochromes to shift, I would definitely look into the Alter Ego one. Or if you've just been wanting to try out Pat McGrath, you want to try out her color story, but you just want to pay for her stuff, I would definitely look into the Alter Ego one. I don't know if they're gonna keep duping, because I know they dupe Natasha Denona stuff. I don't know if they're gonna do more of her palettes, but I mean, I'm interested to see. And I also feel like this particular palette was like one of the easiest ones for them to do, because out of all the Mothership palettes, I feel like the Mothership 7 is the least interesting in my opinion, and I feel like it's the easiest color story to like replicate. And also formula wise, I feel like her other palettes are very distinct. Like when you think of Mothership 5, that Brown Seduction, that red in there, like that rose gold shade. When you think of Mothership 8, Divine Rose 2, like that multi-chrome that just shifts like crazy. Like I feel like that is probably a little bit harder to replicate. Also, well, kind of, sort of, in a sense. Like, hear me out. I feel like multi-chromes, you can make them. It just will cost a little bit more. And I feel like one of the things Alter Ego is also known for is how affordable they are. So if they were to try to replicate that, you know, palette, I don't know if the price is gonna go up, you know. But anyways, I do like it, and I would definitely recommend this palette. So yeah, it got a stamp of approval from me. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow you on Instagram. I am starving and I'm ready to wrap this video up. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye. So I'm gonna be doing a side-by-side comparison of both of these palettes. I'm gonna give you guys swatches, and at the end of the video, no, okay, no. So I'm gonna be doing a side-by-side comparison of these palettes. So on one eye, I'm going to be doing, almost there. Just finish this up, girl. Just finish this up. Let's begin. Okay. Also, I want you guys to let me know which one you like better. So, I'm going to be showing you guys my side-by-side comparison of both these palettes. On one eye, I have the Alter Ego palette, and on the other eye, I'm never going to eat at this point.